Hey everyone, welcome to my RC and DIY channel. Here we're going to be starting a project that I've had for about 2 years. This is a 1/5 scale Redcat XT gas RC car. I purchased this about 2 years ago and I made some progress, but it's just been shelved because I've been busy and now's the time to kind of get this going. So I purchased this for about $80 Canadian. This came with some aluminum Baja wheel adapters. It did not come with wheels or motor or anything like that. I am doing a brushless conversion on this using 3D printing. So I have ordered the center diff and pinion and a couple longer axles here, driveline axles here for the center. So I already have a mount converted here so that I can convert it to electric. We're going to be mounting the motor somewhere here. I don't know if I'm going to run this on 5 or 6S or something like that. Haven't really decided. What I'm starting to do right now is I am 3D printing wheels and tires. This is meant to be kind of a slower backyard basher. I can enjoy and also my kids can enjoy as well. So wheels are crazy expensive for 1/5 scale. It's a joke how much money wheels are. I could buy a set of wheels on a full-size car cheaper than I could buy on a 1/5 scale car. So I am 3D printing them. So this is my super large custom Delta that I built. You can find this on my Rohan 3D printing channel, which I'll link in the description below. So I am printing some 8-inch diameter rims out of PETG, and then I'm going to 3D print some TPU tires. So that's where I'm starting right now. This is kind of just a quick video on the project. I'm going to be doing many more videos on this, other RC stuff. I have some other RC 3D printed projects and all sorts of things. So if you're interested in this, definitely feel free to subscribe and comment below. And I'm going to show updates on the printed wheels and tires, and we'll fit those, and then we'll start doing the conversion. Thanks for watching, everybody.